I'm Bertoline, and I'm the Student Division Chair. I'm happy to welcome you to our first co-sponsored Student Division Distinguished Lecture, titled, Inspiring Change Agents to Transform Engineering Education, an Immersion Engineering Curriculum and Challenges and Strategies of Engineering Education Pioneers. Our two distinguished speakers for the day are Dr. Gary Bertoline and Dr. Cindy Atman. Dr. Bertoline is the Dean of College of Technology and a Distinguished Professor of Computer Graphics Technology and Computer and Information Technology at Purdue University. He's an exemplary pioneer who is currently involved in a major engineering education transformation initiative called the Purdue Polytechnic Institute. He has authored over 100 papers in journals and publications and co-authored 8 books in the areas of computer-aided design and engineering design graphics. Being featured as one of the 250 individuals selected by students who's produced great teachers since 1869 was one of his proudest moments. He was also the president of the 7th grade class, who was later impeached for his radical proposals for lunch menu changes. Dr. Atman is a professor in human-centered design and engineering, the inaugural holder of the Bowie Endowed Chair at the University of Washington, and a fellow of AAAS and ASEE. She's the director of the Center for Engineering, Learning, and Teaching, which he founded in 1998 as the first engineering education center with a combined research and faculty development mission. She also directed the Center for Advancement of Engineering Education, funded by NSF from 2003 to 2010. She's passionate about helping engineers think broadly about design by considering problem setting before problem solving. We'll hear first from Dr. Bertoline, who will speak of new ways of preparing engineers for addressing our nation's needs. Next, we'll hear from Dr. Atman about the challenges and strategies of the pioneers in the field of engineering ed. We'll end with a conversation about 2 presentations. Before I give the floor to our distinguished speakers, I would like to thank our division co-sponsors, the new Engineering Educators Division, the Entrepreneurship and Engineering Innovation Division, the Engineering Dean's Council, and the Engineering Leadership Development Constituent Committee. I would also like to thank Student Division Platinum sponsors, John Wiley and Sons, Virginia Tech Department of Engineering Education, and the Professional Publications for sponsoring this event. Lastly, I would like to thank Student Division Program Chair-elect Cass Groen for assisting in moderating this activity with me. Now, over to distinguished speaker, Dr. Gary Bertoline.